Hi everyone, I'm Neha and today we are going to talk about Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel, also known as MS Excel or Excel, it is a very basic tool but very useful. Now let's start with talking about what is Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet program, or we can say it's an application used to organize, analysis, and do the calculation of the data. Now, Excel has four type of data. We can categorize it as text data, numbers, logical data, and error. This is a very important, or I can say vital tool for professionals in accounting, finance, data analysis sectors. Multiple companies use this data. Multiple Not multiple, all the businesses basically use this tool to perform simple tasks such as data entry. They do data organizing, or I would say data management using this tool. They create charts, graphs, and they also do the pivoting of data. You know, uh, when it comes to calculation, or do the calculation of the data using the formula and different function within Excel, one can do the calculation of the data and generate meaningful insights. Now we talk a lot. What is Excel? What is data? What type of data Excel hold? What is the main use of Excel? So let's jump to how Excel look like, and what all features we have within Excel. Now we've understand the basic, what is Excel, what is data, type of data Excel holds, and what is the use of this Microsoft Excel application. Let's see how Excel look like. So when you open Excel, Microsoft Excel, the first interface you'll see look like this. So if you see, it has so many rectangular shape. This is called a cell, where one can type anything. It can be number, it can be text. So everything we are writing here will consider as a data. Now, if you can see here the alphabet A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and so on, these are called columns here. If you see on the left hand of the screen, we have numbers mentioned here. These are the row, and using the and this is, which is highlighted right now, the rectangular shape, it is known as a cell. Here you can see the this interface is named as sheet 1. The way we have multiple pages in one notebook, same way we can have multiple sheets in Excel. सो आपके पास ऐसा कुछ इंटरफेस खुलेगा। इसमें ये जो आप अल्फ़ाबेट्स लिखे हुए देख रहे हैं, ये होते हैं कॉलम। यहाँ पे जो नंबर्स में है, ये है रो। ये जो आयताकार आपकी शेप है, रेक्टेंगुलर शेप, इसको सेल कहते हैं। और यहाँ पे जो ये लिखा है, इस इंटरफेस का नेम शीट 1, ये इस पेज का नाम है। एक एक्सेल वर्कबुक में मल्टीपल शीट्स हो सकती हैं, जैसे हमारे पास किसी नोटबुक में मल्टीपल पेजेस होते हैं। This particular section where you can see home, insert, this is the menu of this application. Under home, we can see we have so many options. This is cut option, this is copy option. This is the formatting option. From here, one can change or select the font type, the font size. This particular section is for formatting the text. One can do bold, italic, underline. Then one can create borders. This particular section has all the option for alignment of the data. This can change the type of the data. So one can change the general, which is a default type of data, to short date, long date, accounting, currency, stuffs like that. So from home section, one can do the formatting of data. Now moving to the another section that we have here is insert. So we can insert tables, pictures, shapes, and then we can create bar charts, tree maps, and different type of graphs and charts using the data that we have in the sheet. Right now we do not have anything. So this is the first lesson where I am walking you through the Excel interface. Then we have page layout, we have formula. So we will be going to talk about some financial formula, logical formula, text formula, date and time formula, lookup and references, and so on. This is the first chapter, and so far we have learned what is Excel, what all data types we have in Excel, then use of Excel, what is a cell, rows, columns, name of the sheet, menu bar in Excel application. So in the next class, we will learn about how to save the Excel file, how to enter the data in Excel, how to recognize different data types. We'll see some formatting, and then we'll try to explore the menu, uh, the file option from the menu bar. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and please stay tuned for the next session. Thank you so much. We'll see you in next class. Bye.